Hi loves, mabuhay, bonjour, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, hi, my name is Roma and welcome. Before we get started, I'd like to invite you guys to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. That way you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, if you are feeling extra nice today, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up before exiting out this video. Thank you. So for today's video, I am going to do a review. Well, it's actually a first impression of my Chanel classic card holder that I've just unboxed. So the video is just right up there, so you can check it out. And throughout this video, I'm going to talk about some backstory before acquiring this item, and also the size and the current price here in Belgium, and also why I chose this specific item. And also be sure to stay tuned until the end of the video because I am going to announce a giveaway. I'm going to show you the giveaway price and going to mention the giveaway rules of how to enter, and of course the reason why I am doing this giveaway. So be sure to stay tuned and let's head on. So the product that I am going to give my first impression today is the Chanel Classic card holder. Woo! So like I've mentioned, if you want to watch the unboxing, I've put a card, and also I'm going to put it in the description down below. And as you can see, I'm just going to show you. So this card holder came with the dust bag that is very pretty, and it also came in this box with the camellia flower. Before I head on to the technicalities and so on, I'm just going to give you a small backstory concerning the product before I purchase it. So as you all know, you can buy some Chanel products online, but those are only for fragrances, skincare, makeup, and sunglasses, if I'm not mistaken. Other than that, it's not possible to order anything. So the only solution was to go to a boutique. But before going to a boutique, I just wanted to be sure that this product was available. So I called the two only boutiques here in Belgium. The one was in Antwerp and the second one was in Brussels. So the one in Antwerp, I've explained to them the style of the card holder, and they told me that no, unfortunately they do not have it. And then I called the Brussels boutique, and I also mentioned the style and so on, and the lady told me that, oh yes, okay, I know what you want. What I can do is I can get your info, and then a client advisor is going to call you within 24 to 48 hours. And I was like, okay, that's good, perfect. And then the next day, I was very impatient. I called again the Brussels boutique, and I've asked if by any chance this product is available. But the thing is, I do not have the exact reference, so they cannot give me the exact information also if the product is indeed available in the shop. And they told me, if you really want to, you can always pass by at the boutique without any appointment, because I was going to pass by after 6 p.m. and the shop closes around 6:30. So I was like, okay, you can pass by, there's no problem. I think there won't be a lot of people. So the same day I went there with my husband, and to be honest, there weren't a lot of clients. I think there was just this couple inside, and then there was my husband and I didn't take any appointments or whatsoever. So I just went in, and then there was this guy who welcomed us, and then I was like, okay, I'm just coming in because I'm looking for this card holder with this specific finishing. So just to show you again, this is the black one in the grained calfskin, so in the caviar leather with gold metal hardware. And he was like, since this is it's the very first time I was going inside a Chanel boutique. So I have no idea how it works or whatsoever, but the only thing that I know is that when you present something, they normally take out a tray that is also covered in I think microfiber, just to protect the items that they're going to expose, and then normally they put the item on that tray. But this time, this guy, it seems like I was bothering him. Well, my husband and I was bothering him because we entered 30 minutes before the closing of the boutique, and he was like, oh, that one, okay. He opened I don't know, he opened his door, and then he just showed a card holder, and I was really, I specified I wanted the gold hardware, and he showed me the silver one, and not putting it on any tray, just put it on this glass cabinet and so on. And I was like, okay. I still looked at it just to, you know, see it for the first time, if it's something that I really wanted to have. And I was like, okay, yeah, I need that, but do you have it in gold? And he was like, no, we don't, without even looking whatsoever in their stock. I was like, no, we don't have it. It's something that's very demanding and we don't have it in stock. And I was like, okay, is there any way that, you know, we'll be able to have one? How does it work? And he was like, oh yeah, the thing is, well, I asked first if they can call me if the products or the item arrive at their shop and such. And he was like, no, we cannot call you because, you know, this is a very demanded product, so we cannot call everyone who requested for it, so you have either to pass by here or call us. And I was like, okay. And I was like, okay, if I call you, what should I say? Oh, then you can give it. And he told me, you can give us the reference. And I was like, but I do not know the reference number. And I was like, it's on the website. Yeah, but on the website, it's not, there's nothing with this particular finishes available website. So there's no reference. And he was like, it seems like he didn't want to believe me. And he was like looking, searching. And at the end, it was like, oh yeah, indeed. The product is not available online. I was like, come on. And then he went, I don't know, at his colleague, and then his colleague gave him the reference and was like, my colleague know the reference by heart, Here you go, you can call and give us the reference. Okay, so in short, they will not call me if the product arrives. They will not inform me. I should be the ones going to call them every day. And I was like, okay, what a service. So went back home. And I was like, okay, do I really want this? You know, the experience that I had with this guy, not professional at all. And then the next day I received a call, and it was the client advisor that the person that I had on the phone previously told me that they were going to let a client advisor call me once they have all the information about the card holder. And that client advisor called me and told me, oh, yeah, I'm calling you concerning your request for the card holder. It is available in the shop. And I was like, what? Are you sure? Because I just went there yesterday and one of your colleagues told me that it's not available. And she was like, oh, that's weird because it's available in such So what I did was I went back and then I told her the whole story, and she was like, she was very, very sorry of the previous experience that I had. Unfortunately, that day, that guy wasn't there. I think he was on holiday that day or day off. And the thing is, she told me, the product that she thought was available for me wasn't really the one that I wanted, because she thought the one that I wanted was the one, this same, but with the chain. But I didn't want with the chain, because if it's with the chain, it's not detachable, so all the chain will be inside the card holder, so it will take a lot of space. So I was like, no, this is not the one that I wanted, etc. So what she did was, she told me, oh, well, in this case, I'm going to order one for you. And I was like, you can order one for me? And she's like, yeah, of course, I'm going to take your info, going to order it. You just have to either pay the whole amount immediately or make a 30% advance payment. And I was like, you know what, I told her, you are really, really helpful in comparison to your colleague who didn't even give me the information that I could order. Because if I could have ordered, I could have done it the day before. So, but anyway, I was happy that all the transaction was with her. So what she did was she ordered it on Thursday evening. and I paid 30%. And then on Monday she called me and she told me that yeah, it arrived. So within what, 2 business days, the card holder arrived, and it's really brand spanking new because it came from the head office and so on. So I was so happy to be able to score this and to be able to do all the transaction with the lovely client advisor, the second one instead of the first one, who was really not professional. So for those of you who are in Belgium and who are going to planning to go to Chanel in Brussels, I am advising you to contact Valérie, because she was the one who helped me, and she was really professional and very down-to-earth person. And yeah, so that was the backstory. Okay, so now I am going to give you the information concerning the size of this card holder. So for the length, this one, it is 11.3 centimeters, and then for the height it is 7.5 centimeters, and then for the width or depth it is 2.1 centimeters. And then the current price of this classic card holder in grained calfskin with gold metal hardware is 450 euros with tax. So now I'm going to tell you why I chose this specific product. So as you will see, it came with a authenticity card. It was made in 2020 or 2021. That's 30. It starts with 30. So yeah, there we go. And then inside, so this is the calfskin, grain calfskin, or sometimes people call it also the caviar leather, because as you can see, it's like small caviar. And then the hardware is in gold metal hardware, because it only exists in silver or in gold, and I wanted it to be in gold. And then the inside, as you can see, there's Chanel written in gold as well. And then in here you have the button where it's put Chanel Paris. And this card holder has actually one slot in front here, and a very big space here inside. And then it's also in, let's say, dark brown Bordeaux lining, and it is mentioned made in France. And what I like also about this is at the back you have also another place for a card. So for example, you put card here, there you go, and then you can also put the card here in front, and of course a lot of card in here. So I will mainly use this for cards as well as some notes. I will not put any coins in it. I wanted to have a small wallet, compact wallet, because currently I have one. It is also very small, but it's from Starbucks and it's very nice. I love it, but I wanted to have one, yeah, from Chanel. And I also chose the grained calfskin leather, because I know that it is more durable, and also durable to scratches and so on. And since this will go inside different bags, I do not want to baby this too much. I want to use it like, you know, normal use. That's why I chose this finishing. And then, like I've mentioned, I wanted the golden because most of my jewelries are gold. And yes, that's why I chose this. Okay, so now this is the moment that you've all been waiting for, the giveaway info. So before I show you the giveaway prize, I would like to let you know why I am actually doing this giveaway. There are two reasons why. The first reason will be just a simple thank you to all of you who have been there for such quite a time, for being there just by watching our videos, by commenting, by liking it, and also by subscribing. So it really means a lot to us, and for that we would like to give something back to you. And then the second reason is we have to reach the 1K subscribers. So I would like you guys to help me to reach this goal. So I'm going to show you what is my giveaway prize. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, I'm going to up. So that is the box that it came from. So this is really brand new. I have the ticket, the receipt, and everything. I'm just going to show you up. There you go. 1 second. I'm so excited for you guys. So here you go. I'm going to show you. Ta-da! So this is a brand new Louis Vuitton reverse monogram canvas card holder. So it has actually 1, 2, and 3 in it, and it's made in France. So now I am going to give you the giveaway rules of how to enter. So just to let you know, all of this are mentioned in the description down below, so you can check it out one by one so that you're sure that everything has been followed. But I'm still going to give you here in the video what are the rules. So first of all, you have to subscribe to my channel, Roma D.C. Then you also have to subscribe to my vlog channel, which is Roma and Gael. And then you have to click on the notification bell on both channels, and you have to select all for both channels. And then you have to like this video and comment below what are your goals for the rest of 2021. And after that, you have also to include your Instagram handle so that it's easier for me to contact you if you win. And then you have to follow both of my Instagram accounts, so my personal account and also my vlog account. And then you have to like the giveaway photo. So I'm going to make a photo of this on my Instagram, and you have to tag a friend. And then you also have to share the post on your IG stories, where you have to tag both of my IG account. Okay, but anyways, all the information is down below, and this giveaway is open internationally, so worldwide, so anyone can enter, but it is just one entry per person. Okay, so yes, I hope that you've enjoyed this video, my first impression of the Chanel classic card holder, and also my giveaway. So good luck everyone. I hope that you like my little gift as a token of my appreciation for helping me reach my 1K subs goal. And also be sure to read the fine print of the giveaway rules. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And again, thank you so much for watching this video, and hope to see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.